In the intricate tapestry of nature, a hidden harmony emerges through the golden ratio. Seen in the spiral of a seashell, the arrangement of flower petals, and even the proportions of the human body, this divine proportion captivates our senses. From the graceful curves of a nautilus shell to the branching pattern of trees, the golden ratio's allure is undeniable. It is a mathematical phenomenon that underpins the aesthetics of our natural world, revealing a symphony of balance and beauty that transcends time and culture. Witness the elegance of nature's design, where mathematics and art intertwine seamlessly.